Right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to FABTECH 2025. We're here on day 2, and I am with Matthew for Kuka Robotics. He's going to show us a few demos today. And hi, Matthew. How's your morning been?
Excellent. How about yourself?
Pretty good. Pretty good. I'm excited to see what you guys have.
Absolutely. So welcome to the Kuka booth. Our first demo that we're showing is our Accelerate cell. This is our pre-engineered weld cell that we've developed for the North America market. The one behind me is our index style cell. We also have a side-by-side and a higher spec for specific to automotive. So what we're doing here is we would have an operator loading parts while the other side is welding. And this cell is a very, very cost-effective cell and a great way to get into automation for your welding applications.
Awesome. Yeah, this is very cool.
All right, on to the next demo. So our next demo we're doing here is ultrasonic welding. This is a vibration process that joins materials together, specifically suited for the electronic industry. So very thin, small components, very, very good for copper applications.
Shock and vibration, turbo cycling. And then from there, I may talk to you about my lab.
Very cool.
Give you some feasibility standards. So I would say, can I join A-Band? Can we meet the requirements? And we'll give them back and customer might say, hey, I like this, I don't like that, I don't like it. And then from there we just
Wow. So how do you know how heavy of items it can lift and hold?
Yeah, so this actually is not lifting anything but the gun that you see there.
Okay.
Or the ultrasonic gun. This would be brought to the part, and then the part would be stationary out in the future or on another robot.
Okay, got you. I see. Oh, wow, that's really cool.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's like stamping it.
Yeah, so it's actually using vibration 40,000 hertz to bond the pieces together.
Awesome.
So it's vibrating the two sides to join them
Oh.
molecular level.
Wow.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So next, our educational cart. This is actually for schools or for companies that want to learn on robotics. This comes with or without a welding package or other end effector or end of arm tooling. Nice small compact cell, a nice small compact robot, but of course utilizing all of Kuka's programming language for either customers or students to learn on. And a very, very cost-effective way to get into the learning side of robotic programming with Kuka.
Absolutely. All right.
Okay, on to the next one. So a very, very unique process we're showing here. It looks like spot welding. This is not a spot welding application. What this is refill friction stir spot. So what we're actually doing here is we're bonding the two pieces together through vibration that creates, on aluminum specifically, creates a mechanical bond that is actually stronger than a spot weld. The main advantage here is we're utilizing 2 to 3% of the hydro that a typical spot weld would use. So massive cost savings for aluminum joining. And you can do this, of course, with 1, 2, 3, 4 sheet stack-ups. So very, very unique. It's much smaller, compact gun compared to a traditional spot weld. And again, the hydro savings.
Absolutely.
So quite a unique, impressive process for sure.
Absolutely. Very, very cool. And it moves so smoothly,
Absolutely,
which is awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay, on to our next demo. Maybe we'll go around this
Yeah.
way. So what we're showing here is the automated manufacturing of roof trusses.
Okay.
So if you look up, everything supporting the roof, those roof trusses are what we're demonstrating here.
Okay.
These can be in varying widths and lengths, of
Yeah.
course. We're utilizing Kuka RoboTeam. So RoboTeam creates a master and a slave out of the robot, and they move in perfect harmony, as you can see here.
Yeah.
So on the right side, the material handling is loading the parts. And on the left side, the two robots will simulate welding in a second here. The nice thing is we're partnering with our one of our partners called MagSwitch. You can actually increase or decrease the strength of the magnets to pick up one or two parts at a time, as you can see here. So very fast, very efficient loading, very, very fast cycle times. Typically, a lot of companies right now are doing all of this loading manually. So very, very efficient solution for roof trusses.
Absolutely. This takes a lot of labor off of people's hands.
Absolutely.
That's awesome.
This demo in particular, because of our robo team, where the robots are perfectly synchronized, often gets a lot of attention at the shows.
Yeah.
And this is again showing a real world application.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's amazing how there's not one delay between each of them.
Yeah.
They're
yeah,
completely synchronized.
Absolutely, yeah.
That is amazing. Awesome.
Good. And our last demo here on the left side, we're showcasing one of our AMRs. So this, we call this a KMP, a KMR, sorry, a Kuka mobile robot. This comes in varying sizes and as well as payloads. The one we see here is a 3,000 kg. So this actually, we map through the plant with SLAM navigation. And then we send this on missions to pick up bins or trays or parts and deliver them to other locations. So fully autonomous in a warehouse or a factory.
Absolutely. Wow, that is so cool.
So this will move in a few seconds
Okay.
at some point.
Get a little action in here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think when we came here earlier, we saw it moving around. It was pretty cool.
So it's using 3D scanners and 3D cameras on the corner. So
Wow.
it does pick up in 2D and 3D for
Okay.
safety.
Oh, yeah. So is this blue light a camera? Or
Yeah, so right now you can see that it knows something's in front of it. So
Okay.
it is using the 3D camera here and the 2D scanners on the side. And then there's a safety bumper around it as well.
awesome.
So this is actually made to work in aisleways without guarding or fencing, as you can see in the demo here.
Right.
And then, of course, the plate on the top provided by our partner Auto Tool. And something like this would typically be used to move around maybe car frames or things of that
Absolutely.
nature. And then we get into the smaller versions as well, the 1,500 and 600 kg versions with smaller footprint. And on the Kuka side, these can go up to, I believe, 100 tons. So quite large, moving around train cars or fuselage for airplanes.
Absolutely. Amazing. Yeah, it looks like it can hold a lot.
Yeah, for sure.
It looks very sturdy. Well, cool. All right. Well, you are at the Kuka booth is at B17039, correct?
That's correct.
All right. Well, hopefully you guys get a lot of viewers today, a lot of guests, get to see some cool demos for themselves. And thank you so much for showing us around.
Thank you. Appreciate
All
it.
right. Bye, Matt.
Thanks. Bye-bye.